All right. Hey guys, here's just my comparable analysis on Southwest 152nd. Um, yeah, looks like a great property. Yeah, definitely it's got some things to work on, especially the sagging of the roof and stuff like that. But with that said, I do think it's priced quite low for the market. So I do think with the upgrades that were done on the property throughout the years, looks like external paint, new roof in 2018, paint in 2018, windows and siding 2018, furnace 2020, water heater this past year. I mean, there's just a lot of things that are going for the property other than so definitely I do think they priced it quite low. So let's go ahead and go through just kind of these are all um, single level homes. All right, sorry about that. Okay, so these are all single level homes, less than 1,600 square feet. Some have been updated, some have not. Some are in better location, but this is very similar to the location of the home that we're looking at. So 425 was kind of where um, the home was listed at, but let's go look at some sold. Here's kind of an overview of the homes that are. Here's some two actives. We have here's another one that's around 1,200 square foot at 425 and 440, and then we have about four sold. So if you can kind of see where things have been selling, um, we're looking at I mean, let's just go through the data and see kind of where these things are selling. They are listed at these low prices, but then they're selling at these higher prices. So we can only assume that these homes are going to go up in the upwards of the upper fours. So all right, let's go take a look at these. So here's the subject property. I mean, definitely has it's marketed really well. It is Formica countertops. They look great for Formica. Updated kitchen, flooring, bathrooms. Um, yeah. So I do. Let's just go to the solds. Let's see what these higher prices are going for and what they look like. So yeah, I mean, this is definitely on the way upper end. High ceilings, updated kitchen, custom cabs. This is just completely different in terms of price point. This one sold at 560. Okay, that was on the market for 20 days. This one is listed at 470, sold at 525. Let's look at the difference between that. This is in Chehalem, so this is very similar in terms of location. So this has been updated as well. Looks like a quartz countertop, older cabs. Um, let's look at okay, so the bathroom's not as upgraded. This bathroom has been updated. Um, Relatively similar lot. Yeah, very similar lot. Similar square footage, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1980. Let's look at the map real quick. Yeah, 152nd is right down here. So this is very, very close by. I would say this is very similar. And this is at 470. Listed at 470 in 3 days, went to 525. Okay, so that's 11%. Now, look where they priced it, and still it sold. So at 425, I do think they priced it quite low. And this one sold in August 13th, so a few days ago, a week ago. All right, let's look at this one. This one listed at 490, 15, so 300 square foot more. It's a little larger. Quite nice backyard, very nice backyard actually. Updated kitchen. It's got an extra bonus room, looks like. Yeah, updated bathrooms. I'd say pretty similar as well. It is a little smaller, but that went for 500,000. If I was to put in an offer, I would probably put it in at 499 or 490, something in that space. All these are artificial numbers, especially with the actives, the pendings. Let's look at this guy, 440. How long was this on the market? This was on the market for 5 days and then went pending. So this is smaller, and this is at 440. Okay, so definitely just painted cabs, very similar. Yeah, so these are somewhat outdated compared to yours. So again, and this is definitely a smaller lot, almost half the lot size. So smaller, listed at 440, within 5 days sold. So we know it's definitely, valuation is more than 440. Yeah, I think we're in the 490s. That's kind of where we're at in regards to it. It's just an anomaly being so low in terms of price. So if I was to go after this one, and if you guys like it, again, it's with those. I would put those terms as well, the strong terms that we've been talking about here in the past few weeks. So hopefully that helps. Let's talk more. Offers are due, I believe. Offers are due Monday at 12 p.m. So we do have some time. We can talk tonight. We'll talk to Justin, get you guys that offer submission. Let's fill that out to write a good offer and submit it. All right.